ती आपण थेट लाईव्ह बघूया आणि पुढे चर्चा सुरू करू.
Yesterday we had submitted the willingness and the claim that being a single largest party, we are accepting the responsibility and we are here expressing our willingness to form the government. Following that, today, as I said, again we met delegation under the leadership of Yediyurappa ji, Honorable Governor, and also informed him about the legislative party election. Just now, Governor Office has given us this letter inviting him to take the oath and form the government. I welcome the invitation. Bharatiya Janata Party has always followed the core democratic principles. There is a well laid out procedure when the clear mandate is not there, the majority is not there, then what to do? In such situations, when there is no pre-poll alliance, when there is no alliance before elections, and accordingly no endorsement for such alliance from the people, according to the Constitutional Convention, Supreme Court observation in S.R. Bommai case and in other such instances, single largest party should be called and should be given an opportunity to form the government and prove the majority on the floor. There are two important conventions and important observations. According to that, single largest party in Karnataka 2018 elections which have been held recently, BJP is the single largest party. Out of 222 constituencies which went for elections, BJP has got 104 seats. Now the two other parties, I would like to make a very serious observation here. These two parties, whole world has watched, whole Karnataka has watched. These two parties had fought not just against BJP but the other party also. There was no ideological convergence. There was no synchronization of any kind. There was not any kind of explicit alliance or partnership or manifesto or program understanding. It was not just that. They fought very bitterly and they criticized each other in a bitterest terms. Personalized attacks were also there. All are now available in the public domain. Anybody can watch. Now, After election results came out, seeing that BJP has emerged as single largest party, they have conveniently forgotten two important aspects of this mandate. This mandate is a complete rejection of Congress rule. This mandate is complete rejection of Siddaramaiaji's government and its performance and its policies.
झी 24 तास रहा एक पाऊल पुढे.